Let us understand the last section of this chapter 4, which is sustainability and triple bottom line. What is this sustainability and what is triple bottom line? We are going to understand. What is sustainability may be also understood with what is unsustainability. Friends, unsustainability is profit motivated without concern for damage to the environment, contributing to climate change, threatening quality of life. So, what is happening? We are working for the profits without concern for damage to environment, which is leading to what? Contributing to climate change. And what will be the outcome of this? Threatening quality of life, present and future. So, this is unsustainability. What do we understand now? That sustainability may be working in a fashion so that we may keep on working without damaging the ecosystem, and this can happen for a very long period. So, conduct that is unethical, socially irresponsible and or environmentally damaging is unsustainable, and the opposite of is sustainability. The conduct which will be ethical, socially responsible and environmentally not damaging will be treated as sustainable action. What is happening? Friends, we are suffering from something known as global warming. What is this global warming? Is upward trend in global mean temperature. Every year, the average temperature of the earth is increasing, and this increase is rising more than 2 degrees centigrade since pre-industrial times. So, it's really serious for us. This damages include water and food scarcity, rising sea level and greater incidence and severity of diseases because of this global warming, because of this unsustainable usage of the natural resources. So, sustainability may be attained with the help of 3 things. 1. Reduce the usage. 2. Start reusing. 3. Recycle the things. In this manner, we will be able to take care of the environment in a better fashion, and we will be able to recover natural resources. So, instead of 3 R's, we have 4 R's. 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. We can understand this with the help of this diagram. So, whatever you are drawing from the nature, reduce that. How can you reduce that? Whatever you have used, reuse that. If it is not reusable, recycle it. If it can't be recycled, then recover whatever you have taken from the nature. Like all the aerated drink manufacturing companies are replenishing the earth with the same quantity of water which they are digging out, which they are taking out from the Mother Earth. Friends, the Smart to 2020 report is talking about the substitute digital for physical formats. If you want to remain sustainable, then this report says that let's go for telework, video conferencing, use e-paper, use mobile instead of traveling, use e-commerce instead of going to the market yourself. So, in this manner, we will be able to talk something about the triple bottom line. So, there is something known as triple bottom line, TBL or 3BL. Apart from the accounting brand of profits or the profits which we calculate with the help of accounts, it's a framework with 3 parts. 1. social, 2 environmental, and third 3 financial. 3 things we wish to consider. 1, is it socially acceptable? 2, environmental friendly, and 3, financially viable. So this is the term known as triple bottom line, and this was coined by John Elkington in 1994. With the help of this diagram, we can understand the concept more. Economic, so we work for the growth. Growth will happen with the help of revenues. Revenues must be adjusted from the cost, so there is a need to reduce the cost. Then, in the case of environment, consumption of resources is happening continuously, so reuse, think about the land and manage the waste, and in this manner we will be able to take care of the environment. And socially, whatever we are doing should be socially conscious activity. Let's do something charity, let's give back to the society, contribute. It should be fair trade and should also think in terms of employee welfare. So friends, in this manner we have understood triple bottom line.